Hi, my name is Aaron Frentz. I'm with Capway Automation, and I am the engineering manager. What we're going to be showing you today is part of our Paxton blower system. It is a regenerative air system that basically takes, air from the atmosphere and converts it to clean air that you can then use to brush off your products. So this is our unit. This is a 5 horsepower blower, and what it does is it generates its own airflow sent through the filter, and that is brought through a ducting system down to the seed containment unit, where it is pushed through our nozzles here, which is then blown onto the product to get rid of any loose debris, to make it easier for the depanner to take the products out of the pan. If you would like to know more, you can visit us at our website at capwayautomation.com.